States Senate. I am now chairman of the Mideast South Asia Subcommittee, and I've met all the leaders of the regions. I've been there many times, and I understand those issues pretty darn well. I'm taking Joe Biden and Chuck Hagel back to Pakistan and Afghanistan in about 2 weeks because of what's going on, and we want to be smart and thoughtful and understand it. So we're trying to do our due diligence. I've seen Barack as a member of the Foreign Relations Committee. He sits there with me, and we've worked on these issues together. And when I was chairman, I'm chairman of the group that is doing the climate change stuff, and I was just in Bali at the climate change talks. I was also in South Africa, meeting with leaders there. And I can't tell you how I was struck. It's one of the reasons that suddenly sort of helped tip the balance for me as I thought this through. And I said, you know, I saw the excitement of these people in these other countries about his candidacy. I see people in other parts of the world say, can he really do this in America? Can they do? And you know what I'm saying to myself? Not only yes, we can, but if we do, we are going to give birth to a whole new story about our country. We're going to tell people about who we are, where we are. And I believe it will help us to be able to reach out to the less developed world, help us to heal the wounds that have been created by these last years of division, help us to be able to send a message to the world about who we really are. And you know, when you think about all those words, I mean, you know, Martin Luther King was 24, folks, when he led the Montgomery boycott. And he was 34 when he delivered those more memorable words in Washington that today we can give life to. That we actually do judge people by the content of their character and not the color of their skin. And that's what will be the message as it goes out to the world. Or Thomas Jefferson, who was 33 years old when he wrote the words, "We hold these truths to be self-evident." Well, if we do, let's make them evident to the whole world. And that's what we have.